Nilinis ko mabuti yan eh. Dami na, medyo may kalawang ng konti eh. Kinakapitan ng kalawang. Kasi ano yung exposed sa moisture.
Moist yun.
Ayan o, malapit na. Ay, kasunod na. Sandali lang lahat. Ipultong ko yung video. Yan, ready na. Lagyan mo dito, mami. Oh. Yan. Marmang ito. Salog na ito. Maganda minsan yung sunog pero wag sobra. Dito, luto na yung part. Yan, right na. Ayan, sunog na. Marami pa ito. Hindi pa yan, hindi pa yan. Hindi pa yan. Ito. Tinatang ito yung balat yan. Luto na, oh. Luto na. Maganda yan eh kasi yung balat ng dito wala eh talaga. Ito rin. Isang din na. Yung linis oh. Ang dumi agad. Dapat pala isa lang na ito. Tapos na ng kote. Ayan, tapos na. Finish. Okay, pakita mo sa camera.
Ikaw na, mainit pala.
close it. It's finished. Anong lasa ng skin? Sarap talaga pag medyo smooth. Sarap yung mangga. Lasang talong. Milo is begging for food. What? Pork barbecue. So yummy. Thank you.
Tapos na yan.
Ito. Kumain ka lang. Pero hindi naman tayo nagkukwentuhan eh. Bandali tayo Pangasinan. Puno ka mo ah. On, sige pa siya rin. Antoy tawad to ay. Barbecue tayo ay. Sige pa?
Masamit.
Masamit ko no. Ara mo ibabaga ma, penatausan doon maong sa Pangasinan mo ah. Oh. Ka na babaingan. Minsan kita ka.
Babalon.
Atan si AJ, masasalita. Ito ka mo?
Si Ren? On?
Antuman eh. Kung mo
Sa
ah.
kabila.
Antuman eh. Kung mo.
Mga sila.
Masalita ka mo. Tatutan na ka mo masasalita.
Antay labay mo yung baga.
Anto? Antutan? Hindi ko mo?
Antay labay mo yung baga kang ko.
Si Mami nan mabilay ni unulag naman parang Kasinan lay Diyos kasi salita to si Pangasinan ko pikawat. I said when Mommy was still alive, she laughs when Mommy
Yes, I know.
speaks
I understood.
Pangasinan.
I understood.
Okay. Because her Pangasinan is not straight. Chicken.
Chicken, man, chicken.
Dapat kasama yan si Marco dyan sa video.
Chicken. Chicken. Speak. Speak. Chicken. Speak. 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 Speak.
Akin di mo na ka eh.
Nasa lakla.
Nasa ka ah. Nasa lan maumong ka mo ah.
Nasa lakla maong-maong. Speak. Speak. Melo, speak. Di siya
Bali-bali,
speak.
panagpang kasi ng to, ta. Yun na, walay accent to.
Ano sa akong speak yung po?
He can't speak, nakaupo siya, yung diaphragm niya
Yeah, but what? Let's go.
na-stretch.
Whisper. Kunti lang. Speak. Whoop. Say whoop, 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 whoop. Speak.
Wala siya. Wala siya, kaya na lagi nag-slice na pag-isa ng chicken.
Naman ka ni.
Sige lang.
Ngayon eh.
Sige lang, naanin eh, naanin.
You speak then. Speak.
Nakasalamot lang. Kalinakan ko na kung naupo may kakanan ko.
Sit. High five. High five. Sit pretty.
Matamis sinalam, mami. Sweet. It's juicy and sweet.
Wait. Wait. Why do you keep going to them when I have the chicken? Huh? You didn't.
So today is the day before my birthday. And we just had a simple celebration with the barbecue. And that's it, as simple as that. Just barbecue, this on some fruits and some delicious sausawan or dip. Mango with tomato and another sausawan or dip with vinegar. With, what did you put, Mami?
Onions and garlic.
Onion and garlic. That's it, and some pepper. So, thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for your for watching. And I know a lot of you will be greeting me. And although I can't show you AJ and Milo, they're eating beside us. But one day you will see them. Okay, so thank you all. God bless you and mabuhay, and happy birthday to me tomorrow.
Can I eat this?
Of course you can.
The seeds.
The seeds, if you eat the seeds, for your information, when you eat the seeds of
It will grow
watermelon,
inside you.
no, it's not gonna grow inside you, but it's beneficial to your health, according to studies. Please support my channel, Angel Tandok and Angel Tandok TV.